and then we will focus on the order flow a bit more, and then talk about some of the features we provide, which makes the overall flow easier, and then open up for Q&A. All right. So what is KitchenDEV? As said in the beginning, KitchenDEV is a technology and marketing firm. We provide digital marketing services. We are specialized in kitchen and bath industry. We also provide technology services, design and development, and we have ready products such as the one that we are focusing on today, cabinet pricing and ordering software, which is an ERP designed specifically for cabinet manufacturers, distributors, and the dealers. Our team consists of designers, developers, internet marketing specialists, and we are located in Jersey, based in Jersey. And again, most of the team is in Europe, Serbia. All right, I'm not going to go too much in detail. We touched on this on previous webinars, but to give context, like what is the manufacturer's journey in general, and how does KitchenDEV help? As a first step, you need your brand to be known, so that dealers and businesses interested in purchasing cabinets from you can find you. So the number one step is being visible online. And as the KitchenDEV digital services team, we can help you rank online on Google, help you boost your paid campaigns, and also boost organic results for you. And then as a second step, we help you manage your catalog that's within the cabinet pricing and ordering software. The first point just focuses on the services side of our business, but from there on, we are looking into things where you can do in the software. Right. Number two is managing your catalog. 1 second, I'm sorry, I'm getting a call. Let me minimize that. Okay. You can import your collections, parts. You can also define modifications and different settings for the assembly charge versus knockdown pricing, the delivery policy, like you can define per mile, per radius. So it's pretty sophisticated. And as a third step, we help you manage your dealers, your customers as a manufacturer. You can add them to the app and track their orders and fulfill their orders. You can define custom discounts per each dealer. This is a common requirement. Not all of your dealers would have the same pricing, so you can define different pricing with different discount levels for each. And then number 4 is actually what we are focusing on today, the error-free ordering process. The most common feedback we get from dealers and manufacturers is things get lost in the emails, or using even fax. Or things like the coordination between the manufacturer, supplier, and the manufacturer, not tracking inventory properly. So the order flow is open to a lot of issues, and KitchenDEV helps you minimize those errors. And then 5th step is actually agreeing on the order itself between your dealer and yourself. So everyone is on the same page with the parts, modifications, and the configuration. As a 6th step, so you need to fulfill the order. There's a whole workflow. It goes through certain stages, which we'll show you and talk about it in a bit. And then 7th step is if you have any returns, you need to handle the return requests. we help you handle RMAs. And then number 8 is just, we provide some powerful tools to your dealers. They get a full CRM, so they can manage their own customers, the homeowners, contractors, builders that they work with. But at the end of the process, we help your dealers actually collect more reviews, collect more finished projects, which can help you as well as a manufacturer to, collect some portfolio type finished projects. Okay, that's essentially it. Like repeating this process, obviously, we reduce the errors. You communicate with your dealers better. There's a messaging feature as well within the software. You can have a general inbox, but most importantly, you have an inbox within a specific proposal and order, and you talk to your dealers just for that order, which makes, which is really specific and can help you resolve issues quicker. All right, and as I said, there are 2 sides of the business. As the manufacturers, that's the flow, and then the dealers side has a similar flow, but with a different customer and different type of activities, obviously. Again, as a first step, we help the dealers rank higher on Google, get more leads online. And then as a second step, when a customer comes into the showroom, the first thing they need to do is take measurements if the customer doesn't have the measurements already. So we help them set up an appointment. As a third step, we introduce the cabinet manufacturer's catalogs, so the dealers can, like how it is in 2020. So if you want to design a kitchen using a manufacturer, you select your manufacturer and you can design. Similar in our software, you can view multiple vendors and their catalogs, and then build up a proposal and see the pricing and compare pricing. And then the next step after showing what's available to the customer is doing the design. Actually first scheduling an appointment, and I would like to highlight our calendar feature. So as you schedule measurement and schedule design appointments, the shared calendar on the app gets filled with all those entries, which helps the whole team be on the same page. After you design your kitchen on 2020 and a Pro Kitchen integration is coming up, you can import that ready design into our software, so you don't need to enter the parts one by one. But alternatively, you can also do manual. You can add the parts one by one. So there are a couple ways to create a proposal in the dealer module. There's the standard way with just pricing and the part list. We also have a powerful visual proposal builder, which looks like a PowerPoint proposal template. It's dynamic. You can add different types of content, add all the renderings from the design of the 2020, exports from that file. Also, you can have some upsell and cross-sell items. Like if you are selling cabinets, you can say that here are some of the faucets, sinks that you can buy from us, and different types of marketing material you can put into that package. We recommended it for more on the higher end kitchens, but you also have the ability to print a quick proposal using our standard form. And then number 7 is intersecting with the previous flow, like the agree and handshake with the manufacturer. So once the customer agrees on to purchase the kitchen that you designed and gave pricing for, you need to send it to your manufacturer and also agree and handshake on both the parts and the configuration, availability, and everything. So we help you manage that process as well. And then as number 8, we touched on this. Once you finish, the cabinets are delivered, you finish the project, you can ask for finished picture of the kitchen. and you can ask for a review using our software. And you repeat this process and increase your sales. We have a lot of other features that helps keep track of the customers and the pipeline, the deal pipeline. And we believe using a tool like this will increase your sales. All right. Now touching on the order parts, like I know I covered a lot. I know we covered the manufacturer's flow, and then we covered the dealer life cycle and flow. But specifically talking about how the order takes place. First of all, like to go to the basics, as a manufacturer, you would provide your dealers a login into your ordering system, right? In order for them to see your catalog, see the availability and everything, they will each have a username and password, and our software provides this. Your dealers will get an invite and join the system. And then as soon as they join and start to use your catalog, they will be able to create proposals and send orders to you. And given all the measurement design and everything is done, a configuration exists for the kitchen. And the first step they do, the dealers do, is send the order to the manufacturer. You will immediately see that order in your dashboard and receive an email. And you have two options at that point. Right? You will review the order. If there are some custom modification requests that are not part of your catalog, you can price them. If a part is discontinued, at this point you can inform them. If the style or collection somehow totally discontinued, at this point you have the ability to reject the order. So you send the order back, and the order is canceled. The dealer has to modify the order and send it back to you. But essentially, the first step is manufacturer approving or rejecting the order. Right? If after you do this, the order moves into the second step. Given you approved the order, and maybe you provided some custom pricing, like again, as I said, some modifications are coming from the catalog, but time to time, you may get a fully customization, and you provided pricing, and you provided more information, and the dealer on the second step has the ability to either approve or reject the order. It may be a customer mistake, or the project may be canceled as well. So those are the reasons. On the second step, so retailer either approves or rejects the order. Given they approve the order, the third step is the manufacturer will put the order on collection stage, right? So the collection people from the warehouse will start to collect the order. We are working on a mobile application, which is not ready at the moment, but will be soon, estimating a month or two. The warehouse employees will be able to see the order on their mobile applications, and then we'll scan the items that they collect and mark the order as collected. So this is coming up soon, but at this point, as the warehouse manager or the order processing person, you need to manually set the status to on collection. And then you move on to assembly, similar status. Your assembly people, if the order is set for assembly, will assemble the products. And again, the mobile application will have the ability to mark each item that needs assembled as being assembled or assembled, a finished assembly. And then as the fifth step, and this doesn't have to be in the sequence, like the delivery pickup date can be provided earlier, but just to demonstrate and visualize, we put it here. You can have this, on the first or second step as well, during the first or second step, where you got the order and you verified the order, and then that your stock, your inventory, so you can provide a delivery and pickup date. This is the lead time, and it's really important for your dealers. All right, and then the order will move on to shipped and picked up. In this state, everything went smoothly, and dealer received the order, the shipment, or they picked it up. And then another state could be returned. Actually, maybe it was shipped, but later an RMA started on the order. So this is the order flow, and during this flow, actually having an ERP system specialized for kitchen manufacturers and dealers is really helpful. It reduces errors, like given the situation with China and tariff and everything. Some shipments may be delayed. Availability may be a concern. Also, the communication between you and your dealers, things may get lost in email. So this flow really helps move things smoothly. All right, again, to recap what we provide and how are we different. So we simplify the catalog updates and distribution. Okay, you have a very easy user interface for managing your catalog. You can add a new collection, you can change some parts, delete a part, add a part. Best of all is you can scale your pricing really easy with 2 clicks. Right? If let's say there's the tax issue, and you need to increase your pricing for 12.5%. You can go in and scale your prices 12.5% with 1 click. And alternatively, you can manage at a collection level and also part level, manually increase any part or modification that you need to. Also, it simplifies the dealer management and provides a dealer login to your customers. This is the main point. If dealers are sending you orders on the email, on the manufacturer side, you need manual processing. You need more staff members to really read those emails and really understand, because every email will be in a different format. And then the order and RMA management is easy, as well as inventory and accounting. We have an inventory module with barcodes generation and scanning, automatic purchase ordering from your supplier. We also, we started building accounting. We are improving it week by week, but we have profit and loss report and balance sheet, and the ability to manage dealer payments, apply credits to dealer balances. So it's really an end-to-end solution, and we keep improving it. And on top of these, we provide integration with 2020, and ProKitchen is actually coming soon. We couple manufacturers text exports. We have been testing, and it's should be straightforward. But we are in touch with ProKitchen, improving our ProKitchen integration as well. We provide a powerful proposal and CRM tool for your dealers. So your dealer will not just get a login; they will also get a full CRM tool. And then the active engagement with your team and your dealers. So there's notes area that you can leave notes for your proposals. There is at mention capability, like you can now at mention a team member and ask for something on a proposal. And you also have ability to talk to your dealers through the specific proposal and order. And it's a really simple UI. It's a cloud-based web application, and it doesn't require any technical knowledge. Onboarding and training is covered by us. Onboarding takes some time because we need to convert your catalog and import it into our software. You need to import your dealers, previous orders. So it's a somewhat involved process, but we have processes, and we have a system that we use, and we will make things easier for you. We also will provide a training to your team. We have a lot of articles, live chat on the software. as well. So we have a powerful customer support team as well. All right, and again, to recap the offer and capabilities, and also to recap the software. So we allow your dealers to easily compare and analyze different cabinet styles and collections. So in real time, they will be able to see and compare different styles. If the customer is flexible, you can offer a cheaper option. If you want to mix and match, one collection for the wall cabinets and base cabinets, and another collection for the island, you can do that. So it's a really visual way to demonstrate all the possibilities. You can upload a 2020 design, as I touched base, and also run promotions and collect reviews. And we talked a lot about this, offer an error-free ordering process, help track orders, and communication in real time really reduces the issues. And it minimizes labor on both sides, actually, more on the manufacturer side. We heard some from our manufacturers, and also some of the manufacturers through our dealer customers, that the manufacturers who used to hire and keep like a few staff members just for processing emails and orders, really reduces the staff members, the labor, and utilize the labor on another way. Right, we help smoothly handle the RMAs, and the projects are done much more efficiently. This is just a screenshot of how we support the change order as well, which is, it's really complicated. Once you get into order stage, both sides may approve the order, but you may have more changes coming from either the homeowner or other issues on your side. So we support a change order flow as well. All right, and looking at the inventory side of things, like common issues are not knowing exactly like how much you have at hand for different parts. Like by purchasing your orders, the parts from a supplier who may be in China, or maybe they moved out of China, but still the shipment takes a lot of time, so you don't know when to order. You may be overstocking things, and things may be aging in the warehouse. So we have reports that show all of these issues, and will help you avoid these issues. Also, you will exactly know at any given point if you have the part in stock or not. And in the inventory reports also, you will see like when is the next shipment coming for that part, so you can better talk to your dealers and avoid issues, availability issues. All right, so that ends up my part of the presentation. We don't have a demo on this webinar. We have previous webinars where we show the software. We have free trial, so you guys can sign up for manufacturer or the retailer version. We also have some demo videos on the website, articles. So really looking forward to working together and improving your processes. So at this point, if anyone has any questions, please let us know. Otherwise, we will end the webinar here. All right, thanks all for joining.